How's it going, guys? Welcome to this video. Today, Saturday, July 11th. I have right here the LG G3 and the LG G4. The LG G3 has the Android Lollipop available right now. This is through Verizon Wireless. So we're gonna be updating the phone during this video and show you guys before and after Lollipop. But before we do that, I wanted to do a little bit of a comparison, since the G4 already has or comes with Android Lollipop. So just show you guys a little bit of the differences in the interface and all that, and then we're gonna do the update. So let's go ahead and start with that right now. As I said, the LG G3 through Verizon Wireless has now available the update for Android Lollipop. So I just wanted to show you guys quick how some things looks like now versus how are they going to look like later. One of the things that I think is going to look different is the look at the recent applications. If we tap right here, as you guys can see, this is how they show. You can actually zoom in or zoom out the recent applications in order to see 4 at a time. You can even see 1 at a time. So you can see, I believe it says 9 at a time. So right here we get clear all, and you get dual window from here. On the LG G4, if we tap on the recent application, this is how they look like now. And I think this is the look overall for Android Lollipop every time you access the recent applications. There's no way to do the zoom in or zoom out anymore. And basically from this point you can clear all or do the dual window. Also take a look at the buttons. As you guys can see right here on the G3, they look a little bit different. Of course you're gonna get the same back, home, and recent, but they're gonna look, I'm assuming they're gonna look like the ones that I have right here on the G4. Instead of the arrow like that, it's gonna be more like a triangle, and the home it's gonna be more a circle, and the recent application should be just a square. So these two things are for sure things that are gonna change after the update. Let's take a quick look here at the quick settings. I don't know if the quick settings they might stay the same. The quick settings might stay the same. Let's take a look here at the home. I'm sorry, the app drawer. So on both we see access to apps, widgets. There's a search bar, and there's also right here an option for some settings as far as edit, hide, and unhide applications and all that. Let's take a look at the dialer. The dialer, it's another thing that might change. So right here on top we see about the same tabs, dial, recent, contacts, favorite groups, and all that. The dialer, I believe on the LG G4 we can do now the HD voice and video calling. I believe you're gonna be able to do that on the LG G3 once we update. So for example, if I call this number, as you guys can see right there now, is showing the video icon. If I try to do the same thing here, it's showing the video icon. So that we're gonna get that, and we're gonna have to download and update the HD video calling feature. So other than that, I think let's take a look here at the main settings of the phone just to make sure. But I think yeah, they might change. They might change a little bit and look more like the ones that we have here on the G4. And there it is, advanced calling. Here's HD advanced calling on the G3. So with that, let's go ahead and start with the update. So here's the update, guys. As you can see, it's a little bright. Sorry about that. But we see right there, this update from Verizon Wireless, it offers right here the Android 5.0 Lollipop. So this is gonna take about 19 minutes. So let's go ahead and install now. And this is gonna restart the phone. So as you guys can see, it's downloading the first portion of the software update. This is loading via 4G LTE from Verizon. Keep in mind, if you have a Wi-Fi at home and it's really quick, you might want to turn on the Wi-Fi and it will download the update faster. So we downloaded the first portion, and now it's updating the software, the second portion. It's actually going pretty quick. Alright guys, a quick update here. I was able to install already Android 5 Lollipop. However, it looks like there's another update available. This is a different update, nothing to do with Android Lollipop, just a different update for the LG G3. So we're gonna go ahead and install it now too. Alright guys, we finished with the updates. As you guys can see, these are the two updates. Make sure you get both if you are on Verizon with the LG G3. So let's go ahead and take a look now and see what the changes are and how the phone looks like with Android 5. I showed you guys earlier, one of the things was right here, the buttons at the bottom of the screen for the back, home and recent applications. So now they both look the same. So we have the triangle, the circle, and the square. The other thing that I showed you earlier was the look at the recent applications right here on the G4. This is how they look like. And right here on the G3, again, this is how it looks like now. So we don't see any more the options to zoom in and zoom out. You can do a window from there. Other than that, I mean, everything else is pretty much standard. You know, just all the main changes that you're gonna get on the phone because of Android 5 Lollipop. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. If you have the LG G3 and you are on Verizon, go ahead and check on the system updates and update your phone with Android 5 Lollipop. Thank you guys, and I will see you later.